Hi fellas, welcome back to my videos, and sorry that for some time I was not uploading the new videos or the part 2 repairs. Just it's end of the year, the last month of the year, and everyone want to fix them tools and buy new tools and so on, so I was really busy. Yep, and now it's Saturday and I can't make the video. I have the Bosch orbital sander made in Switzerland. You can see it's GEX 125 AC. It's a really nice tool. Now the problem with this that it's working, but I can easily stop it here, as you can see. When I put a pressure on it, it just stops, and I suspect that it will be the ball bearings. And yeah, I will move the sanding paper here. Now I need to unscrew the pad. Yeah. Okay, I will remove these 3 screws. Yep, we have the plate here and the 2 screws here, and I think this should move here inside. I think this part must move here. Now it's not moving, and I will try to unscrew these 2 screws to take all the AC with the ball bearing out. Of course, be careful to not damage the screws because they are soft. Okay, now I will try to push it out somehow. Yeah, screwdriver. This way seems to work here. Yep. And what we have here, we have the 2 ball bearings, and one is moving. You can see that one is moving and the second one is not moving. Of course, that's a big problem for orbital sander, and it's a 6001 ball bearing. I will zoom it. You can see it's 6001 LU, and honestly you need a ball bearing 6001 and with a dust protection and for the high torque for this one. Okay, I will try to check if I have them here in the place. I think I have them, but still I need to find them. Yep, found one. I will check for my mystery box. Yeah, and found second one. Both of them are, I will check the, it's a 6001, 2 RZ C3 and C3, yeah, okay. Now we need to remove the ball bearings. We can do that with a screwdriver by putting this part in the vise and pushing it out with the screwdrivers. You can try to do that with a ball bearing removal tool like this. I will try it, but honestly most of the times it's not work for me. Of course that can be a reason because it's a cheap Chinese tool and what can I expect more from it? It's just, yeah, I cannot get a grip here. I have the blade here, and now they are greasy a little bit. You can do the same with the pliers, the vise, and so on, so on. It's really a lot of videos in YouTube on how to remove the ball bearings. Yep. What we need to do now, we can put it on a vise and hit it. We can put it on a hydraulic press. We can take the puncher. Of course, not damage that reed inside. You can try to knock it out. Yeah, it's going. I will do that on the vise. It's not going so easy. And now I will put it on a pneumatic press, hydraulic press. Now you will not see that. Yep, and I got it out. Just got out like this, and of course it's a dirt and dust inside. Yep, now we can clean it a little bit. If you want, you can make it shiny like brand new. Yep, and the plate was like this. Now we have the two ball bearings. You can see that they are open here from the side. Mine is both sides closed, and I think it's better. And which one is stuck? This one is stuck. You can see that it's full of dust here. And yeah, it's really need to be replaced. They're going to the cycle bin. Okay, now we have the ball bearing. We need to put it in here. I will try to use the hammer. Of course, it's really not the best way to do that. You can just put it into the vise and press it. It will be better. I will try to do that now. Yeah, you can see that the one bearing is here, and now I will put a second one, and it will push everything on the assay, or you can use the socket. Put a socket here, just check that the socket will go through this ring, metal ring. Just do that slowly, and everything will be good. Yep, both bearings are here, and we have the same piece as it was. And now we need to put it back inside. Of course, aligning the holes. pull the screws, and yep, now you can see that it's moving here. That's good for us. Okay, putting the screws back. Yep, now goes the cover. Definitely it's like if you don't want, you cannot remove it, because it's really is not needed to do that for this repair. Yep, we can put the pad back, aligning the pins, tighten the screw, and we will test it soon, and I think it will be good, real good. Okay, taking the sanding paper, and okay, testing it. And as you can see, I even can't stop it. That means good for us. We have repaired it, and it's just a 2 ball bearings problem. Yeah, for now, really thank you for you, and I think it's last video in this year. So just Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, of course, and really I hope you will have the good years in the next years, in the 2018, and of course I hope that this year's was really good for you. And for now, bye, and I will see you in the next years. Bye.